It's that time of year to cut back the Hypericum Hidcote. Now, I've done a video on this before, and it's known that with the Hidcote, all the flowers come on the new growth. So around about March, mid to late March, you cut it right back, and all the new growth will have nice flowers. Now this is very vigorous. If I left this all summer, it really would get out of control against this wall. So this year, I'm going to cut it back really hard. And it'll look a bit unsightly for a while, but it won't be long before it comes back with lots of new growth and lots of nice yellow flowers later on in the summer. So now the shrub is growing back vigorously, and because we've cut this right back, all this is new growth, and it's the new growth which will bring the flowers. So hopefully we'll see a nice show around about July, and I'll come back to that then. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.